Hi friends, and welcome to this week's math lesson. This week your assignment is going to be looking at comparing decimals, and I went ahead and just included ordering because comparing and ordering go hand in hand, because once you can identify greater than, less than, or equal to, you can put them in order, whether it be from least to greatest or greatest to least. So on this example, they've given us, and you'll see here are your symbols. So greater than, remember, I always think about an alligator, and the alligator always wants to eat the bigger fish. So this open mouth needs to be pointing toward the bigger number. Okay, so greater than, less than, equal to. When you're looking at a decimal and you're comparing them, you're going to have to go digit by digit. So the best way to do this is to line the numbers up according to place value. So the first number is 12 and 4/10. And then I have 12 and 39 hundredths, okay? So in order to compare them, I'm going to write them out. So I have 12 and 4/10 and 12 and 39 hundredths. And then I'm going to go digit by digit. If the digits are the same, obviously, I'm going to move on to the next digit, okay? Until I find a digit that does not match. So my 1s are the same, my 2s are the same. I get to my tenths, and my 3 is smaller than my 4. So that tells me that 12 and 4/10 is larger than 12 and 39 hundredths, okay? So I would have to go digit by digit comparing the numbers. Now, same thing on the ordering. So down here we have a group of numbers. So we have 3 and 45 hundredths, 3 and 39 hundredths, and 3 and 3/10. So I'm going to go digit by digit comparing them. Okay, so my 3s are all the same, so I can automatically hop right to my 10ths. I have 2 3s here. Okay, now I do know that if I were ordering these and I was going from largest to smallest, that 3 and 45 hundredths is going to be the biggest. So right over here it says 3 and 45 hundredths is the greatest. Okay, then I would only be comparing these two numbers down here at the bottom. My 3s are the same. I'm going to move on. I have a 9. And I essentially have a 0, okay? So then my next largest number would be 3 and 39 hundredths, and then the smallest would be 3 and 3/10. Okay, so the order would be 3 and 45 hundredths is greater than 3 and 39 hundredths, which is greater than 3 and 3/10. Okay, so keep this information in mind. You are welcome to come back to this video if you are having trouble remembering. You are going to actually be completing your assignment in Seesaw. So I'm going to pop over and show you that assignment. So in Seesaw, you are going to be shading the decimals like you did last week. Okay, so I would shade in 34 hundredths. So I'm going to shade in 34 little squares. And then I'm going to shade in 72 little squares because that's 72 hundredths. And then I'm going to drag the symbol that would fit this. Okay, so is 34 hundredths less than, equal to, or greater than 72 hundredths? Okay, now there are multiple slides. I believe there are 5. So there are 5 problems that you're going to complete. Please make sure each slide is complete before you turn it in. Okay, so Math Google Classroom for the video, Seesaw for the assignment. Questions, please feel free, message me, let me know. Also comments in Seesaw work great. All right, guys, you got this.